Never in 1,000 years did I ever think I'd be going up and down River Road in Pennsylvania and in New Jersey and Yardley and in Trenton, filming flying airships going all over the place, making all kinds of crazy maneuvers, all different shapes and sizes, and they've completely taken over the skies. So here we got another big one coming over from Trenton. There's some big ones out tonight. They're kind of flying back and forth over the river. So we got them crossing right here. That's flying super low. So we're driving over the famous, what Trenton makes, the World Takes Bridge, and as you can see, we have two spacecrafts in the distance getting ready to invade into Trenton. See that? That is extremely strange. From Main Street, this big giant ship. What the hell? This could be, you know what, I'm not going to jump the gun yet, but it looks absolutely huge. What is it doing? I don't know. And we're pulled up in a position where we're going to hightail it after him as long as nobody comes down this road here, and we're going to try to follow him, which we've had no success. He's flying relatively low to the ground. Right down the road. This is so creepy. It really is creepy. So he's back. He made a turn. He's going around again. Big one that we were following earlier, right, we lost him. He's going down towards the river. We got one turning over here low. We got basically like two of them coming at us on the horizon right here. The low one, look how low that one is. Oh my god, it's a flying triangle. That's what it looks like. This is so bizarre. And we've noticed that they can change the way their lights operate out here. Extremely strange, and then there's another one coming in the distance. These things are everywhere right now. Look at the way he's turning. See that? He's like turning in this neighborhood. So here we are in downtown Trenton, and we got one coming over that way. And this guy just passed over. You'll see him. He's flying extremely low. And this should be alarming to anyone who was a 9/11 victim, because he's going to make a turn right here in town and do whatever the hell he pleases. And he can take out any building he wants if he wanted to. Look at this, we have two of them now. Flying really low right here in Trenton. They just cross paths.